everybody. This is not going to be going up on a Sunday, but it's my Sunday. And today I'm going to show you guys my Gyst routine. Yes, you heard me right, Gyst, G-Y-S-T, which stands for get your together. No, I did not come up with this idea because I'm not that clever, but I did steal it from another YouTuber named Kaylin Nicholson, linked down below. And it's basically the idea of spending a day and getting your together. Spending a day getting things done that you weren't able to get done throughout the week. So this could include chores, if you need to get random stuff done, like adulting things like banking or whatever, if you need to get a special hobby project worked on, or if you need to, I don't know, even like take care of your body, if you need to spend a day meal prepping or doing a hair mask or that kind of stuff. Just whatever you need to do to finish up the previous week and set you up for the next week. You don't have to do this on a Sunday. I choose to, for absolutely no reason really. But when I was working full-time, Sunday was the day that just worked best for my schedule. So today I'm just gonna walk you through my Gyst routine. And the first thing I do is make a cup of coffee. Try to make the whole experience cozy and as fun as it can be, because at the end of the day, nothing feels better than having your home clean, having everything set up and ready for you to just smash your next week. Monday is gonna rock. But to get there, you gotta do some steps. So I try to get my coffee going, try to hydrate, play some good music or a podcast or something to just get me into a really positive headspace. And then I get my notebook. I'm a list maker, I'm a planner. I am very much a pen and paper type of person. I do use my phone for lists, but they always end up transferring to the notebook. But I basically divide my paper into 4 categories. So you can do it by drawing a cross or folding it or whatever you need to do, whatever makes sense for you. If you need to do this in a spreadsheet, if you need to do this on a Post-it note, if you need to do this on a bar napkin at brunch, whatever, it's all the same thing. I just like having a notebook of lists. Makes me feel like I have which really says a lot about me. But so my 4 categories today are work, that includes YouTube and some other things. Home, because I need to get stuff done here. I need to make a vet appointment for the dogs. I need to get the house cleaned. I need to do some like adulting things. I need to do some financial things, whatever. Mind, so that's gonna include some kind of pamper moments. I'm gonna read a book. I don't know what else I had intended for mind, but I think it's good to kind of focus on your mindset a little bit before going into the week. So I think I'll meditate, whatever I need to do. And then body, so that can be very literal, it can be very metaphorical. For me, it's gonna be pretty literal. Today's hair washing day. I need to do a hair mask, I need to do face masks, I need to paint my godforsaken nails. They look terrible, and even the husband was watching my videos and was like, you look like trash, which is not wrong. So I need to handle that. I need to shave my legs, you know, very literal body things. So what I'm gonna do first is make a list, and then I will go through the list and kind of prioritize and organize and see what I need to accomplish first. Okay, so I finished my list. It's mostly a lot of prepping and cleaning the house. I need to do a lot of dishes, a lot of laundry. I need to clean my floors. I just need to get caught up on all the chores that I've just been slacking on. I really have been busy and I don't know how. I need to edit a video and prep the social medias for that video. I also need to do some research on finding a job. If y'all are curious about my work situation, comment down below. I'll make a video about it. Otherwise, it's just weird to talk about, you know? Okay. I do want to read a book. That's gonna be my like reward for finishing everything and having everything clean. I'm gonna meditate before bed, and then I need to plan out next week. That's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna take you along with me as I accomplish some of these things. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is a hair mask. That way I can do that and let that sit while I do everything else. Which reminds me, I need to add getting a haircut to the list, making that appointment. Okay, so I will be using the Kristen S dry conditioner to detangle my hair, and then I will be using the Kristen S Anytime, Anywhere Scalp and Hair Milk Oil on my scalp. And then I'm going to use the Pantene One Step Nourishing Mask through, you know, my ends. Yeah, so cue the speed up. Okay, so the hair mask is in. I used a scrunchie to try and help limit any damage. I really like these packs. I probably get 3 or 4 uses out of them. And I have incredibly thick hair and a lot of it. It's great. I know people talk trash about Pantene. I don't really like any of their other products, but this is bomb. Yes. So now I'm going to put on a face mask. Magic. It's not magic, that probably turned out terribly, but I have a mask on my face. It is the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask Enzymatic Dermal Resurfacer. I love this stuff. Put it in my summer favorites. I stand by it. Typically on Gyst days, I do the multi-masking. I will do an exfoliating mask, a like acne clearing mask. I'll be using Glam Glow Super Mud after this, and then I'll probably do some sort of hydrating mask at the end of it so that I'm exfoliating, cleansing my pores, and then giving my skin back the nourishment that it needs. That's my like at-home facial. In case you wanted to know. I don't think you did. So this is gonna stay on my face for about 10-20 minutes, and in the meantime I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Is clean. Those are just drying dishes. So that's good. Let's see what we have to do next. Is it weird to have a camera in my bedroom? Absolutely. But the husband went to IKEA, so here I am. I need to clean this place. I have some clean laundry right here. I have some clean laundry right there. I'm not gonna fold the laundry until all of it's done, and I probably still have another 2 loads. And then put the sheets back on, and then just tidy, and then tidy my bathroom, and then I should be good with cleaning for the day, and I can get started on some of the work stuff. I took off the Glam Glow mask and put on the Kiehl's Ginger Hibiscus overnight mask that I got in my Sephora Play box. If you have not seen that video, I will link it below. But I'm not gonna leave this on overnight, but I will leave it on for a couple hours while I'm just, you know, gisting my face off. But yeah, I guess I'll speed this up. This is not a cute angle, but I am waiting on laundry. That's all the cleaning I have to do. I finished my video, so I have a little bit of extra time that I didn't think I would have. So I'm going to wash my makeup brushes. I use baby shampoo. It's gentle, it's super cheap. I buy mine at Aldi. I think this giant tub is like 99 cents. Okay, cue another fast forward. I'm done. It took me, only 20 minutes. Good job, me. All I have left to do is read a book and meditate and stretch and just pass out right there. Let me know what you think. Let's have a conversation, you know, and tell me what your routine is, what your Sunday reset routine is. If it's something like this, I want to hear about it. If it's totally different, I want to hear about it. We might be helping each other. Follow me on social media. It is at Emily Funbun on Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye.